Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download SugarCRM import contacts and accounts detailed guide step by step clearly. To download contacts and accounts from SugarCRM, start by logging into your SugarCRM account. Navigate to the Contacts module by selecting it from the main navigation menu. Once in the Contacts module, look for the Import button, usually located at the top right of the screen. Click on the Import button to open the Import wizard. In the Import wizard, you will see options for import formats. Choose the format that best suits your needs, typically CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, you will see a prompt to download a sample file. Click on the link provided to download the sample file to your computer. Open the downloaded file to review the required fields for contacts. Fill in the necessary information for each contact in the corresponding fields. Once you have added your contacts, save the file in the same format you downloaded. Next, return to SugarCRM and navigate back to the Import section of the Contacts module. This time, select the option to upload your completed file. Choose the file you saved earlier and upload it by clicking on the Next button. Map the fields in your file to the corresponding fields in SugarCRM to ensure accurate data transfer. After mapping, review the summary provided to confirm all data is correct. Proceed by clicking on Import to begin the upload process. Once the import is complete, you will receive a confirmation message. You can now navigate back to the Contacts module to view your newly imported contacts. To repeat this process for accounts, return to the main menu and select the Accounts module. Follow the same steps as before, starting with the Import button in the Accounts module. Download the sample file provided, then fill it out with your account details. Upload the completed account file, map the fields, and complete the import as previously described. Your accounts will now be available in the Accounts module for viewing and management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.